guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I just have like a big clean with me. I just sat down and wrote out my big to-do list. I just have like a bunch of odds and ends things to do with like dust, vacuum, clean the bathrooms. I need to restock and organize like our pantry. I have to start some laundry. I want to tidy the kids' rooms because they are at camp, so just a ton to do. Don't mind my house. There are some things that I can't like declutter. There's like on my fireplace, there's all of the stuff for my sister's shower, which is this weekend. And then over in the corner of my living room, I have a big basket of things that are for Disney. So I'm just kind of working around all of those things because they're all this coming week. So just trying to clean up around as much as I can. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you are subscribed and let's get cleaning.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me. like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless.
All right, so it just needed a little straightening up. We got all of the snacks organized and cleaned up with all the extra snacks and the big bag of flour I have down there. So that is all organized, and I was actually able to get all of the recycling and all the boxes that I took out. Whew, I'm like out of breath from running. I made it to the recycling because it's trash day, so I made it out there and like just stuffed it all in the bin, and the guy was literally like 2 houses away, so I'm like all out of breath. But I just checked the laundry and it's got about 10 minutes left, so I'm going to dust and vacuum, and then we will get to mopping. And that was the mess over there I was telling you about. So it's not really a mess, but it's just kind of stuff. But that will be gone as of this weekend because the shower is on Saturday.
Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the chores and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. You just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La la la, la la la, la la la. I wanna stay here with you. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old house.
Cleaning the shower and using hot water, it like curled my hair back. Doesn't take much to unstraighten my hair. So I've got the bathrooms done. I did the kids' bathroom, but I didn't show it because I literally did the same thing as I did in my bathroom, except I just sprayed down their tub. Their tub has been cleaned more frequently than that shower. That shower was nasty. And then I just need to mop and then tidy the kids' rooms. So I'm gonna have to do that when I get back, and then I'll have them help me. But they just need to like tidy a few things up, nothing major. But I need to make myself some lunch and then go pick up the kids from camp. And then we have plans with friends to go to the park and just kind of hang out for a little bit. So I will see you guys when we get back. All right, so it is a few hours and an outfit change later. We are heading to a friend of ours. Her son plays like higher up baseball, and it's playoffs. So we're gonna go see his game. So I just put a pair of like sweatpants on and pulled out my sweatshirt. But we're gonna get this laundry folded. I'm not gonna get to the mopping of the floors today, but I'll do that again before we leave. But so we will just fold this load of laundry, and that will be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy and got some cleaning motivation and some organizing motivation. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and also make sure you are subscribed. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
And we were in too deep.